Hello, welcome to this week's short but powerful reset. So this week I'm doing something that you can do at your desk like I am here. You could do it sitting at your desk, you could do it when you're doing the washing up, you could do it when you're making the bed, you get the idea. So you can basically do it wherever and whenever you need to. It's a really quick one, and it's one that I would recommend you do if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, and you're feeling like if you're sat at your desk or doing something like the washing up and you can feel like your shoulders doing this because you're getting stressed, tense, tight. This is a really great one to do. So the first thing we do, you can just follow my instructions. You don't need to watch me unless you particularly want to. But the first thing we're going to do is bring attention to our face, particularly our forehead and our eyes. And we're going to just notice before we do anything, what's going on with our forehead. Is our forehead creased, tight, or is it just relaxed? So let's just notice that first. And then we're going to take an inhale, and we're going to actually intentionally crease the forehead and the eyes. So we inhale, tighten everything, and then we sigh out and let go. So let's do that again. Inhaling, tightening the forehead and eyes, sighing, releasing. Now let's do the same with the shoulders. So we're going to inhale, raise the shoulders, and as we exhale, roll the shoulders back and down and release. Inhaling, rising the shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back down and release. And once more, inhaling, raising the shoulders up. Exhaling, back down and release. Now let's do the same with the arms and the hands. So as we inhale, let's clench the fists, tighten the arms. Exhale, relax. Inhaling, clenching and tightening. Relaxing. And then let's do the same with you can't see my feet, but with your feet and your legs. So you're going to really tighten your toes. So if you're standing, really press your toes into the floor. And if you're seated, put your feet on the ground and press your toes into the floor. So as you inhale, pressing the toes in. Exhale, releasing. Let's do it again, and let's really clench the legs at the same time. So inhaling, tightening the legs and feet. Relax and release. And once more, inhaling, tightening, tightening, tightening. Exhaling, relaxing. And let's just do one last. Roll the shoulders up, inhale. Exhale, release. And then we're just going to finish with a thing called the physiological sigh, which is great for shifting our body into rest and digest state, basically. So great when you want to come down from feeling aroused, stressed, a little overwhelmed. And it's just a double inhale through the nose, 2 quick inhales through the nose, so it looks and sounds like this. And then a sigh out. So it goes very well with what we've just been doing. So let's do a few of those together. Inhaling twice. Exhale, sigh. And again, inhaling twice. Exhale, sigh. We can even do a little noise with it. Inhaling twice. Sigh it out. One last one. Inhaling twice. Sigh it out. Thank you for joining me. That is your reset for this week. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week.